It's an 18-inch piece of shit. I got a fucking 9 inches. The 2x4 is 1.5 inch. So I'm gonna go 3/4 of an inch this way. 3/4. 9 inches back to 8 1/4. 3/4 of an inch on either side. A 2x4 is 3.5 actual inches wide, so that means 1 3/4, right? 1 3/4. Trace the line. 1 3/4. Same over here. 1 3/4. Right there. You got the 2 marks. Come across. 1.5, 1 3/4. I'm just gonna copy that shit over here. Now we use this son of a bitch. A jigsaw with a long ass blade. Yeah, it's properly shitty. Ha! Yeah. This is some fucking ancient Japanese technology here, man. Look at that shit. Glue. Oh yeah. Oh, it's sticky. Boy, I'll tell you what, you give that about 24 hours to cure, that's going to be stronger than any damn screw or damn nail or bracket, whatever you want. This is some ancient Japanese technology. It's like playing with blocks. And it smells like Elmer's glue. It's like being a kid again, man. You just fucking put the wood together, stick it, and then it's strong as fuck. Alright, it's the next day. Feels pretty strong. Time to test it. Excuse me. Let me try it again. Are they still good? Yeah, man. That's not the joint's fault. Cool.